the most important concept of postmodern literature is the intertextuality. The idea of intertextuality was given in 1960s by Jan Christevier, and Jan Christevier said that every work of literature is linked back to some prior work of literature or some prior writings of the literature. So, in this form, the intertextuality is used by the writer in order to make a connection of his work to the prior existing work of the literature, or it may be works as a bridge between the work of existing writing to the previous era writing. So the intertextuality or the forms of intertextuality may be a quotation, it may be a reference to the previous work, or it may be the allusions. Allusions are used by the postmodern writers. So if there are quotations, there are references, or there are allusions that are designed to make an apparent that every text absorbs or transforms some other text somewhere. It means that the actual text of the writer is connected through that quotation, references, or allusions to the previous or to the text that was written in the past. Actually, in intertextuality, it involves the relationship between the text. For example, if a text is a novel, and then the relationship between that novel to the another novel, or to the famous quotation, or to a famous movie dialogue, this will be a intertextuality. Then in postmodern literature, it can be a reference. It can be a reference to the previous text, or it can be a work that is parallel, that is actually parallel to that of the previous work or the prior work, or it can be an extension of the prior work, or an extended discussion of that work. So if a writer adopts the writing style or a style of the authors, or he borrows some style, or he transforms the prior text, then he is actually using the intertextuality. So intertextuality is an important aspect that is used by most of the postmodern writers in their writings in order to make their work coherent, and to make their work linked with the previous works. As this concept was given by Christevier in 1960s, and it was the view of Christevier that different texts exist through their relationships to the prior literary text. So basically, the intertextuality is the relation with those prior texts that were written before that writers. If we go towards the examples of these elements, or this element in the writings, then we can find many examples of this. The main plot line of Disneyland. If we study the main plot line of Disneyland, then we will find various similarity with with the play that was written by the great Shakespeare, the Hamlet. So the similarities between the Hamlet and the plot of the Disneyland are the best example of this is the best example of intertextuality. In summing of this concept, intertextuality is basically the link or the bridge that writer makes by using the quotations, references, allusions, or by extending the work of the writer, or by making a work that is parallel to that of the previous writer. Then this element is used, and in intertextuality means to be linked between two texts, and this is the most important postmodern element that we have studied today. Thank you so much.